Lesson number 1, Numbers and Numeration. Kids, many large numbers are there through which we come across in our daily life. It could be, for example, diameter of Jupiter or any other planet, distance between moon and earth, and between two countries, and many more examples like money in large numbers. So we relate with large numbers on daily basis. In class 4 we have done the numbers till lakh places, lakh and 10 lakh. In this chapter you will learn about numbers more than lakhs, reading and writing large numbers in both the systems, Indian and international place value system, place value and face value, expanded forms, comparison between large numbers, and formation of greater and smallest numbers using given numbers. Activity 1. It is all about, do you remember that whatever we have done in class 4, it is just to recall all those things. So here are a few questions. Likewise, what is the largest 5-digit number? So to get this number, we need to understand, we need to recall that what is the largest 1-digit number, that is 9. So if largest 1-digit number is 9, what will be largest 5-digit number? That is 5 times 9. That is 99,999. In the same way, the smallest 6-digit number, smallest 6-digit 1-digit number is 1. To form the smallest 6-digit number, I need to write 5 zeros with 1. That is 1 lakh. Right? Because if I write 6 times 0, it will have no value. So 1 with 5 zeros has value, that is 1 lakh. Now write the numbers in figures. To write the numbers in figures, we need to read the questions carefully, read the given question carefully. 23,000 means now it is of one period, right? So you will write there 23 and then put a comma to segregate it from the other family. After that it is 110, that is 110. In the same way, if we come through 50,500, that is 50,000, one period is over, then 545. Like in this way, putting the comma side by side, you will be able to write down the answers of all the parts. Then come to question number 3, write the number names. Here, to write the number names, if you are unable to write the number name without the places, so you can write the places on the heads, that is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and then lakh. Then you will write down 3,25,173. Right? Kids, always remember that the places or the periods are never written in plural. Like you will write only lakh. You will not write 10 lakhs or 1,000s or 10,000s. No, that is lakh only. It is always in singular, not in plural. Right? Then write in expanded form. How do we write in expanded form? We write the place value of each digit by putting plus sign in between. About this topic, we'll understand it in the chapter because these questions are again in the chapter. So I'll explain it again. This whole activity is just to recall what you have done in class 4. Now come to the Indian and international place value system. In Indian place value system, there are numbers like ones, tens, 100, it is just one family or one period. 1,000, 10,000, other period. Lakh, 10 lakh, other period, and crore, 10 crores, other period. Right? So there are 4 periods in Indian number system. But in international number system, there are 3 periods, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, hundred thousands, million, 10 million and 100 millions. So according to the place value system, we will write the number name of the given number. For example, here if we see, we can see that this number is an Indian number system. How? Because the commas are according to Indian number system. That is ones, tens, hundred, comma, then thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, and then crore. Right? So the number name for this will be 7 crore 31 lakh 23,058. In the same way, when we talk about international place value system, here we can see that the commas are according to the same. Likewise, ones, tens, hundred, comma, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000, comma, then million, 10 million. Right? So the number name will be 18,300,000 because 3 is at hundreds place. If I write the place value on the head, it will be ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, then 100,000, million and 10 million. So it will be 18 million. 3 is at 100 place. So 357,099. Right? You need to be a bit careful while writing the number name for international place value system. If you find it difficult, you can write the places on the heads while writing the number name. Right? Now here is a comparison table between Indian and international place value system. Kids, as we can see here in the table, till 10,000 place, both the place value system are equal because in both there is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. But in Indian number system, after 10,000 it is 1 lakh, and on the other hand, in international place value system it is 100,000s. Kids, their names are different but their values remain the same. Right? So after lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and in international number system, after 100 millions, it is million, 10 million and 100 millions. So, with the help of this table and the number system, you will be able to write the numbers in both the ways, whether Indian or international system. After that, there is a question in activity number 2 to compare. The number is fill in the blanks. 1 million is equal to dash lakh. So to get the answer of these type of questions, you can just look at the comparison table. 1 million is here. They are asking it is equal to how many lakh. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Right? You will write there 10. In the same way, they have asked one more question. 100 lakh is equal to how many millions? So there is no 100 lakh in Indian number system. But after 10 lakh, it will be 100 lakhs. That is equal to 10 millions. So you'll write there 10 millions. Got it? So I just mean that when you are comparing both the tables, you can write down the tables and then you can compare and write the answers. Now the next topic is face value and place value. Kids, always remember, face value is exactly the number what it is. If it is 7, it will remain 7. If it is 0, it will remain 0. If it is 5, 4, 8, any number it is, it will remain the same. The face value means what it look like. Its face. Now the place value is the place and the face value. It is how many times? Place value of a digit in a number is equal to face value multiplied the value of the place. It can be done as this. Likewise, here 6 is at 1's place. So its value will be 6. Place value will be 6 because 6 into place is 1's. So I multiply by 1, 6 ones are 6. Now 5 is at 10's place. So its face value is 5 but its place value is 10. So 5 into 10 is 50. In the same way, 4 is at 100's place, so the value is 400. 3 is at 1000 place, so 3000. 2 is at 10,000 place, so 20,000. 1 is at lakh place, so it is 1 lakh. 3 is at 10 lakh place, so it is 30 lakh. Right? So this is the way to write the answer of the place values. Now just have a look at example number 2. Kids, the question is find the difference of place values of two fives in 35 lakh 12,510. Now as we can see in the question, there are two fives. One is at hundreds place and other is at lakh place, right? So they are asking to find the difference between both the place values of 5. So what we need to do? We need to write the place values of both the fives and then we will subtract it. Right? So 1 is 5 lakh minus 500. You will get the answer. So in these type of questions, whatever is asked, we'll solve that. Likewise, if we see question number 3 of activity 3, they are asking find the sum of place values of 9s. Sum of place values of 9. So there are 1, 2, 3 9s. You will write place value of all three and then you will add them to get the sum. Now if we look at question number 4, find the product of the place values and face value of 7. Now place value and face value of 7. If we look at 7 in the given number, 7 is at 10,000 place. So the value is 70,000. And what is the face value? That is 7. So 70,000 multiplied by 7, it will be 49,000. Right? So in this way you can solve these type of questions. Now our next topic is successor and predecessor of a number. Kids, as the name suggests, successor means success, to move forward. When we find successor of a number, we need to add 1 to the given number. And predecessor, as the word says, pre means earlier, beforehand. So pre means before of a number. So to find the predecessor, we'll subtract 1, and to find successor, we will add 1 number to the given number. For example, the number is given 2,92,328. What I need to look at? I need to look at the number at 1's place. To find the predecessor, I'll subtract 1, that is 7, and rest will remain same. And to find the successor, I'll add 1 to the number at 1's place, that is 8, and it will become 9 and rest will remain same. In the same way, to find predecessor, we will subtract 1 to the given number, and to find successor, we will add number 1 to the given number. Predecessor means to subtract, successor means to add, right? Now let's understand comparison of numbers. Kids, while comparing numbers, we first of all compare the greatest place. Likewise, here two numbers are given. One is at lakh place and other has 10 lakh place. So obviously 10 lakh will be the greater one. But when the places are equal, likewise both the numbers has lakh places and both has 3 at their lakh place. So how do we compare? We will go to the next number that is smaller than that place. So before lakh it is 10,000 place. So if we look at this number, at 10,000 place also both have 5. Again we could not compare, we will go to the next number. Now when we check 1000th place, one has 7 and the other one has 8. So it means the number with 8 at 1000 place will be the greater one. So Till the places become equal, we'll go to the other places, to the smaller place. And then we can compare the numbers, right? And in the same way as we have compared the numbers, in the same way after comparing, we can arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders. Let's have an example for this also. As we can see here, example number 1, the first number is 1,23,456. Other one is 2,31,456. Then it is 3,21,456. And the last number is 1,32,456. Now, as I have said, while comparing, we check the greatest place first of all. If we see the place, all have lakh places. And because we need to arrange it in ascending order, means the smallest to the greatest, we will arrange it to the smallest number. So when we check, it is 1 lakh, it is 2 lakh, it is 3 lakh, and this one is again 1 lakh. So two numbers has 1 lakh. Now, after having 1 lakh, we'll go to the next place, thousandth place. So at 10,000th place, it has 2 and this one has 3. So it means this number is the smallest one. So you'll write there 1,23,456 and then we'll put a sign for the smaller one because this is smallest number. Then there were two numbers with 1 lakh, so other one will come now here. After that 2 lakh number will come and then 3 lakh number will come to arrange them in ascending order. Exactly like this, vice versa of this question, to arrange the numbers in descending order, we will follow the same method, but for descending order, we arrange the numbers to the greatest to the smallest and we put the sign of greater one to the greater number, right? Now the last topic of this chapter is formation of greatest and smallest numbers with the help of given digits. Now kids, always remember, whenever we form the greatest and the smallest number, we need to look at the question carefully, that what the question is saying. To form the greatest number, we arrange the numbers in descending order, means greatest to smallest. And to form the smallest number, we arrange the number from smallest to the biggest. Right? Let's have example. The question is, write the greatest and the smallest 7-digit numbers without repeating digits using this. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits and we need to form 7-digit number. Obviously, if there are 7 digits and we need to form 7-digit number, it means we need not to repeat the digits. Now, very important point is that if you put commas after every number, it becomes a digit. And while forming the number, you will not put the commas after every digit like this. You can put comma according to the periods. Now, as I said, to form the greatest number, we will arrange the digits into greatest to the smallest, means descending order. That is, greatest number is 9, then 7, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. And to form the smallest digit, just opposite of it, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Kids, here in the given digits, there was no 0. But if in the given digits, any of the digit is 0, then remember that we cannot write 0 in the beginning, because if I write 0 in the beginning like this, 0, 1, this will be only 1. But if I write it like 1, 0, it will be 10. Means 0 has no value in the beginning. But after a number, it has value. So, to form the greatest number, we will write 0 in the end. And To form the smallest number, we will write 0 at second place. 0 at second place. So I just wanted to show you one example with 0. Like here in activity number 5, question number 1 is form the greatest and smallest 6-digit number. There are 6 digits. I'll just show you how to write the smallest number, that is with 0. So for smallest number, I'll arrange it in the ascending order. That is, the smallest number is 0. But as I said, we cannot write 0 in the beginning, so it will be 1. Then I'll arrange 0, then 3, 4, 5 and 7. So it is 6 digit smallest number with the help of given digits. Right? You will not write 0 in the beginning. You can write 0 on second step. And to form the greatest number, 0 will be in the last place, means ones place. So that's all, kids. Thank you.